रिलायंस 47तम एजीएम बैठक जो संबोधन करुँच मुकेश अंबानी। रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज अध्यक्ष मुकेश अंबानी बर्तमान संबोधन करुँच। आसतु देखा यार सीधा प्रसारण।
Retail business is generating more direct and indirect livelihood opportunities. Let me now invite Isha to provide us an update on retail's performance over the last year and its growth plans.
Thank you, Chairman. Allow me now to present the highlights of last year's performance. Reliance Retail recorded gross revenue of 3,06,848 crores, a growth of 17.8% over the last year. We continued our trajectory of strong profit growth, registering an EBITDA of 23,082 crores, up 28.4% year-on-year, and net profit of 11,101 crores, up 21% year-on-year. At 8%, the EBITDA margin grew 70 bips year-on-year. Our stores witnessed over 1 billion footfalls, and we have had more than 1.25 billion transactions across our channels. Registered customer base crossed a milestone of 300 million customers, nearly the population of the US. We opened 1,840 new stores this year, bringing our total store count to 18,836 stores, with a retail space of 79 million square feet in total. During the year, Reliance Retail undertook an equity fundraise of Rs 17,814 crores, achieving a valuation milestone of $100 billion. Let me now cover key highlights of our businesses. Dear shareholders, in grocery, we're not only the largest, but also one of the fastest growing retailers, expanding at 2.5 times the rate of the rest of modern trade. Our growth is driven by a focus on smaller towns, where over 2/3 of our new stores are opening. In many of these markets, we are the first modern retailer to establish a presence. At the same time, we're selectively expanding our premium formats, Fresh Signature and Fresh Pick, in large cities, continually innovating to enhance the consumer experience. Our impact extends beyond just retail. We work closely with thousands of small and medium vendors, regional brands, and new age startups, providing them a platform to grow and scale with the Indian consumers. This creates opportunities for small entrepreneurs to showcase their products and expand their reach. For example, Mukharochak Chanachur, a specialty from Kolkata, is now available in hundreds of stores outside of West Bengal. Lakshmi Narayan Chivra from Pune has co-created a highly successful misal mix exclusively for our Smart Bazaar stores. Brands like Yoga Bar, Soulful, Mama Earth, and Storia are finding success nationwide through our collaboration. As we continue to introduce new offerings and expand our reach, we believe this business will grow rapidly, enhancing both our market presence and profitability. Our online platform JioMart adds another layer of convenience, offering hyper-local delivery with a wide and relevant assortment. Every one of our stores is equipped to seamlessly handle digital orders. Our extended in 1,300 cities gives us a significant competitive advantage in the e-commerce space. Milk Basket, our subscription service, makes it easy for households to receive daily deliveries of essential products at their preferred schedule. We're expanding this service to new geographies, leveraging our existing supply chain. With the acquisition of Metro India Cash and Carry, we have strengthened our omni-channel capabilities, offering a wider assortment for our Kirana and Horeca.
खबर पानीपागरु 3टी जिल्ला को रेड वार्निंग प्रबलरू अति प्रबल